Why is it always worth smelling good? Well, let's think about it. Imagine walking into a room and immediately making a positive impression on everyone around you because you leave a trail of delicious scent behind you. That is the power of a great scent. Smelling good isn't just about making a good impression on others, although that's definitely a bonus. It's also about feeling good about yourself. Plus, let's not forget about the impact scent can have on your memories. Some scents can remind you of special moments, people, and places, making a lovely collection of memories that make your life better. So, with that said, hi gorgeous! Welcome to Femme Glow, and thank you for being here. In this video, I'll show you 6 effective tips how to always smell divine. Whether you're getting ready for a big event, heading out on a date, or just going about your day-to-day life, taking the time to smell good is always worth it. After all, why settle for anything less than amazing? So, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about hygiene. Showering regularly is key to maintaining a fresh scent throughout the day. But don't just lather up and call it a day. Incorporate a few extra steps to really elevate your shower game. Start by using a peeling to scrub away any buildup on your skin, leaving it smooth and primed for your scent of choice. I love to use those scrubbing glows, but if you have sensitive skin, I would recommend a gentle sugar scrub that dissolves in water very easily. Opt for a gentle scented body wash that complements your perfume, and follow up with a nice body lotion or body oil with a scent that you love. Apply it when your skin is still slight damp to lock the moisture in. By the way, perfume stays longer on your skin when it's hydrated, so don't skip this step. And of course, don't forget the deodorant. Whether you prefer an antiperspirant, one without aluminum salts, or a crystal deodorant, choose one that suits your needs and keeps you feeling fresh all day long. Imagine this. You're on a dreamy date with a charming gentleman. You've done your entire get-ready routine, your favorite perfume, beautiful makeup, and amazing outfit. But just when you're about to charm him with some playful joke, you open your mouth, and out comes a deadly cloud of not-so-pleasant scent. That's definitely a no-go. So ladies, here are my go-to tips for perfect oral hygiene so that something like this never happens to you. To master your oral hygiene, make brushing your teeth a twice-daily ritual. Grab a soft bristled toothbrush and some toothpaste of your choice, then brush in circular motions for at least 2 minutes each time. Don't forget to floss either. And while you're at it, give your tongue a quick scrape or brush. This is where most of the bacteria that cause unpleasant odors like to accumulate. Incorporate a natural mouthwash into your routine to get rid of bacteria while freshening your breath. Swish it around your mouth for 30 to 60 seconds before spitting it out. Watch your diet by limiting sugary and acidic foods and drinks, opting instead for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and water to keep your mouth healthy. Oh, and don't forget to switch out your toothbrush or toothbrush head every few months. Avoid tobacco products as they can stain teeth, cause bad breath, and increase the risk of gum disease. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps rinse away food particles and bacteria and keeps your mouth moist. Consistency is key, so stick to your oral hygiene routine diligently to maintain fresh breath and a healthy mouth. To master hair care and ensure your locks always smell amazing, start by choosing the right products. Look for shampoos, conditioners, and hair masks with scents that match your personal style and preferences. When it's time to wash your hair, use these products as needed based on your hair type and lifestyle. Be sure to massage shampoo only into your scalp and put the conditioner and hair mask to your mids and ends. Shampoo can easily dry your hair out. Hydrating your hair is crucial for maintaining a pleasant scent. Incorporate a hydrating hair mask into your routine once a week to keep your locks moisturized and healthy. Dry hair can easily absorb odors, so keeping it hydrated is key to smelling great. After styling your hair, add an extra layer of scent by spritzing on some hair perfume or fragrance mist. This will leave your hair smelling divine throughout the day. When brushing and styling your hair, be gentle to avoid damaging your locks and stripping them of their natural oils, which can affect their scent. Also, don't forget to clean all hair tools once in a while. Hair brushes, hair ties, and hot tools. All those products can absorb unpleasant smells. Avoid exposing your hair to strong odors like cigarette smoke or cooking fumes, as these can linger and affect its scent. If your hair does pick up unwanted odors, consider using a dry shampoo or odor-neutralizing spray between washes. When choosing perfume, start by understanding your preferences. With so many options out there, whether floral, fruity, woody, or oriental, finding the perfect fragrance to suit your style is half the fun. Experiment with different scents until you find the one that makes you feel confident and fabulous. Take your time testing various scents at a perfume store, spraying them on test strips or your wrist. Consider the occasion when selecting a perfume. Lighter scents are ideal for daytime wear, while richer fragrances are suitable for evenings. Invest in quality perfumes that offer longevity and value for money. Once you've chosen a fragrance, apply it to your pulse points, such as the wrists, neck, and behind the ears. And for an extra long-lasting scent, put a little Vaseline to these areas. And also avoid rubbing your wrists together after applying perfume, as this can alter the scent. Instead, gently pat them together. If the scent fades throughout the day, feel free to reapply perfume to pulse points as needed. Just be mindful not to overdo it, as too much fragrance can be overwhelming. Smelling amazing isn't just about what you put on your body, it's also about what you put into it. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides your body with essential nutrients and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. These nutrient-rich foods help cleanse your body from the inside out, promoting detoxification and reducing the buildup of toxins that can contribute to body odor. Staying hydrated with plenty of water is also key to maintaining fresh and clean-smelling skin. Water helps flush out toxins and waste products through sweat and urine, preventing the accumulation of odor-causing bacteria on your skin. Plus, adequate hydration keeps your skin moisturized and supple, reducing the likelihood of dry, flaky skin that can trap odors. Incorporating foods high in water content, such as cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges, can further boost your hydration levels and contribute to a fresh, natural scent. So, by nourishing your body with wholesome foods and staying hydrated, you're not only supporting your overall health, but also ensuring that you smell amazing from the inside out. And for those moments when you need a quick refresh on the go, don't forget to pack a refreshing kit in your purse. First, pack a travel-size perfume or fragrance spray of your favorite scent. Keep your hands soft and fragrant with scented hand cream or lotion. Don't forget breath mints or chewing gum to stay fresh and confident throughout the day. Freshen up your face and body with baby wipes or facial cleansing wipes. Stay odor-free with deodorant or antiperspirant wipes. Finally, carry a hair perfume or dry shampoo for a quick fragrance boost anytime, anywhere. With these essentials in your kit, you'll always be ready to smell amazing on the fly. And here is a list you can take a screenshot of to pack your refreshing kit. So there we have it. Simple yet effective tips for always smelling amazing. With a little bit of effort and some thoughtful choices, you can leave a memorable impact wherever you go and feel confident in your own skin. After all, smelling amazing isn't just about making a good impression on others. It's about feeling good about yourself too. So go ahead, indulge your senses, and embrace the power of a delightful scent. You deserve it. Thanks for being here with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiration. Until next time, stay fabulous.